Hello, Jason here from septictank.co.uk. Welcome to another live broadcast, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can save hundreds of pounds and easily install a new soakaway for yourself, right? The product that I'm about to show you is revolutionary and it's changing the whole face of the septic tank soakaway market, the whole industry. So what is this new product? Well, okay, let me start by showing you something, right? First of all, okay, so every septic tank has to have a soakaway, as you know. And whether you're putting a new soakaway in or whether you're replacing your old soakaway, this is typically what a septic tank soakaway looks like when it's under construction. Have a look at this. All right, so that's typically a herringbone style kind of soakaway. So as you can see there, here, you've got the inspection chamber there. You've got pipes, you've got gravel. All right, so let me give you another example. Here's another example of a septic tank soakaway. This particular one is in a straight line. The herringbone is just really a name. All right, primarily they used to be done in the shape of herringbones, but there is no real hard and fast rules as to the septic tank soakaway design. So anyway, here's another one. This has got quite a few inspection chambers there. As you can see, it's got gravel and it's got pipes. Okay, let's show you another example. Here's another example of a herringbone soakaway. As you can see, in all of these examples, they use tons and tons of gravel. The gravel works out more expensive than the soakaway itself. Let's give you another example here. Here's another example of a typical septic tank soakaway. And here's another example of a septic tank soakaway. So typically, right, these kind of soakaways, by the time you've paid for the gravel, by the time that you have paid for the pipes are really expensive, and by the time you've laid everything and got the inspection chamber, then you're literally looking at, man alive, easily, let's just get rid of this other picture, there you go, you're looking at about easily 1,500, 2,000 quid to get all the components for a soakaway. And those are small soakaways that I showed you. So what's this revolutionary new product that I want to show you? Well, about 2 years ago, scientists invented a septic tank soakaway product that requires no gravel at all. So have a look at this. This is nuts. As soon as I found this product, I had to put it on my shop. Have a look at this. It's called Easy Drain, okay? And basically it's gravel-free soakaway pipes, okay? And as you can see here by the prices, right, instead of having to pay 1,000, 1,500 quid for your soakaway, these start at like 299 quid. So what I wanted to show you in this video, right, I wanted to show you how to install how easy it was to install this Easy Drain soakaway product. As I said, many septic tank installation companies, many soakaway companies are using this as standard now. But let me just show you how easy it is to install. So let me just get this technology up here. All right, let's change the screen. All right, so here we've got a typical septic tank. Now the septic tank here has been installed. In this instance, it's a low profile septic tank. There you've got the outlet pipe there from the house going into the septic tank, and it's there. But as you can see, there's no soakaway installed yet. So you could put one of those herringbone style systems in, but let me show you how Easy Drain works. Right, first of all, once you put your tank in, you just need to dig a very small trench. In fact, 3 small trenches. Have a look at this. Let's see if I can find this. Hold on, here we go. There we go, have a look at that. So you just need to dig 3 little trenches that look something like that, right? Which the digger can do in about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So let me give you another view. So that's the end of the septic tank there, and that's what the 3 trenches look like. Look, trench 1, trench 2, and trench 3. There you go. That's easy, isn't it? Right. So on the septic tank here, you'll notice that you've got the outlet bit of the septic tank there. All right. So the first thing you need to put in is the outlet pipe. There you go. That's pretty simple, isn't it? Standard 4-inch pipe that goes on the end of the septic tank. Now, once you've done that, all you then have to do is put the inspection chamber on. Now, the inspection chamber basically just slots into the pipe there. And so the beauty about this inspection chamber is it's got 3 outlet pipes. All right, so let me show you that from a different angle. So you've got outlet pipe 1, got outlet pipe 2 and outlet pipe 3, and this is all that you need, right, to complement the easy drain soakaway kits. So let me show you what set 1 looks like. So there we go. That is what the easy drain looks like. They're basically gravel free pipes, as I said, and they slot into the outlet pipe of the pipes of the inspection chambers. And if I just zoom out here, that is what they look like in the trench. All right, that's pretty straightforward, isn't it? And they literally will take you, I don't know, 5 minutes to put in, 3 minutes. They just literally slot in. And so if I now put the next slot in, if I just zoom out and show you this, here we go. If I zoom out and come to here, looks like a chicken's foot a bit, doesn't it? If I put the next one in, there you go. That is why they call it easy drain, because it's so easy to put in. So if I just turn around now and show you, all right, that is basically what it looks like, a big chicken's foot. And you can see it's connected to the tank there. And then basically how it works is this. If I just get a different angle here. So the liquid will enter the septic tank. It then enters the inspection chamber, and then the water will just go into the easy drain pipes. It will then soak into the soil in the trenches, and then it will just drain away, just like that. And that's why they call it, again, easy drain. And once you've put the easy drain in, all you have to do then is just cover the easy drain over with soil, just like that. So if I show you an angle of how this looks, so there you go. That's what it's like once you've put the easy drain in. It just blends in beautifully with the environment. Look at that, no scars, no nothing. And that literally will take you about an hour to install. So then when you've put your septic tank in, so let's see if I can cover the tank over. We cover that over and we put the tank hole in. So there you go. That's what it looks like when it's finished. Amazing, isn't it? How new technology is changing the landscape of the septic tank soakaway industry. So if I just take the trench off again, there you go. That's what it looks like with a cut view. It's exactly what it looks like there. And that's exactly how it works. And so for me, that's why this easy drain, that's why easy drain is revolutionizing the septic tank and soakaway market. So there you go. How easy was that? That was nuts, wasn't it? How easy was that? So a gravel-free soakaway product that is a couple of £100 compared to spending 1,500 or £2,000. You don't need any gravel, and it's made for the DIY market. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. So I hope that this helps, this video. This is why I make these videos, because I just want to share with you the latest excuse me, the latest technology and information that comes onto the market. If it's good, if it's been tested, and if it's popular with other companies who install soakaways, then I love sharing this kind of information with the public. Hence, that's why I've made this video today. So listen, thank you very much for watching this video today. If you'd like to see more free videos and advice, then just go to septictank.co.uk, or you can go onto Google and type in septic tank TV and go to my septic tank TV channel. In fact, if I just well, no, I won't show you, but if you just go onto Septic Tank TV, and then you can see my YouTube channel, which has got hundreds of free videos like this one, and if you subscribe, you can be in with the chance to win a free septic tank and soakaway kit. So listen, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. You take care, and I'll speak to you soon. For more information, just click the link below this video, or visit septictank.co.uk for free help and advice.